Hey everyone, and welcome to a new video. This is Stay Outside and Explore. I am outside. I'm working on a 2012 Chrysler Town Country. What I'm going to be doing today is taking out the air filter and recharging it. I have this K&N recharging kit I got. It has a cleaner and a like oil that you can put in there. And when I went to the auto parts store, I talked to the guy behind the counter, and he had said, oh, you don't need an air filter if you got one of those. You just need to buy this kit. This kit was like 15 bucks, and you can do multiple times. He also said that this air cleaner should last you up to 1,000,000 miles. I know this van won't last that long, but at least I know something will. So let's get started on cleaning this air filter. So you got to remove that one, this one, it's not that hard, and this one back here. Take this off. Is there another one back here? No, this is just yeah, okay, nothing too harsh. As you can see, it says K&N. So what I'm going to do next is there's a little stuff on there. I'm going to take my air nozzle and blow that all off. So here we go. I got the air compressor all charged up, and let's see what happens. Get this all nice and clean for the start. No. Did I run out of air? I just pumped it up. Alright. We'll get back. Hang on a second. Alright, we are back. What happened is I had the air compressor set too low because I must have been using it for low output. So we got her going now. So we're just going to clean this. Alright, let's take it to the cleaning area. Handy dandy instructions that tell you to... Alright, I'm going to close the door. My dog is barking at me. Okay, we're back. So it just says grab this. Start squirting away. This is the cleaner. Alright, now I'm going to take some water and rinse it. So, take you guys down here. Let me go get the water. And we're going to rinse it off. Then it says you need to dry it. Oh, look at that dirt that's coming out of there. Oh. Might have to do it again. They say you might have to, so let's get the sprayer again. Get it again. What I like about this is when you take it in to have your car service, they can't come and tell you you need a new air filter, because as long as I keep this clean and conditioning it, this thing should last. All right, so I'm just gonna go get the air nozzle and blow out. I see a little bit of residue on there, but not much. Okay, hang on a second. Let me go get the air nozzle. All right, let's blow this thing off. Okay, hopefully I didn't get none in your face. So now we needed to let it dry. So we're gonna let it dry for a little bit, and then I'll continue with the video. Okay, we are back. Now it's the filter is dry. Now we're gonna spray it down with this oil, and then it says it's supposed to sit for 20 minutes, and then we'll put it back in the vehicle. So just you spray it liberally, just a little bit like that. It's pink, looks like pink, and then a little more. All right, let it sit for 20 minutes, and we'll put it back in the vehicle. It's pretty cool, nice and clean. I don't know if you can see inside the pleats. It's nice and clean. All right, I'm just gonna let it sit, and we'll come back. All right, it's all nice and dry, ready to be put back in to its original holding area. So we gotta slide it in there, snap it in. If you're seeing that okay. And then one more over back here. To give you so much room. All right. And that'll do it. That'll complete this video. And yeah, that was it. Just reconditioning an air filter, K&N high performance filter, race car for the van. So yeah, worked out really well, and it should last another probably 20-30,000 miles, and I'll redo it again. So if you like this video, like what I'm doing, give me a thumbs up. Don't hesitate to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And if you're in a gambling mood, I have another slot channel, or another YouTube channel called DAB Slots. I have a few videos on there. It's just slowly building up as I can put more like gambling videos on there. I'm gonna have some scratch offs and casino winnings and maybe some losses. But yeah, give that a shot if you're willing to get entertained. I got a nice video I just uploaded not too long ago of winning like $700. So all right, we'll see you later. Take care. Bye.